today I'm testing out this camera mounting right here. So I basically got this on Amazon, and I think this is one of the best camera mount that you can use, whether inside your car, outside your car, to get some great shot. So right now I'm driving and it's stuck to my windscreen and it's pretty sturdy. I trust this to basically use this with my camera. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys some of the features of this Delkin mount right here. I'm basically going to show you guys some of the shot that you can get on your car if you're using this car mount. Now this car mount that I'm using is the Delkin. I'm going to also put a link for this in the description of this video if you guys want to basically check it out. So I'm going to give you guys some shot, let you guys see how this basically works. Alright guys, so the first shot I want to get is on the car front right here, which me capturing me while driving. So I'm gonna get it right here, so I'm gonna install it right onto the front right here just to basically catch me inside. But the thing is though, it may not work during the day because the time is very bright, so you might not see me inside the car. It will work perfectly if it's night time. You know, we have some lighting inside the car, but I'm not using any lighting right now, so I'm gonna mount this onto the car. Now how this basically works is that when you put it on the car, you're gonna press these just like so. But please ensure that the surface of the car is well clean before you apply it on, because I don't want it to fall off. And this is pretty strong, and I basically trust this with my camera. So I'm going to press on, spot right here, I'm going to lock it, then I'm going to loosen up this spot right here, then I'm going to put on my camera onto it. Guys, so the next shot I want to catch with me right here is a shot with me while driving. Now you can be creative with this one. You can use it on the windshield, or you can use it on the door right here on the glass. You can mount it depending on how you want the shot or wide you want the shot to be. So I'm going to mount it on the glass right here inside the car. The thing with these mount, you can adjust this part right here, so each of these parts can adjust, so it will easily can unlock this part right here, as you can see. And you can sew it across the direction that you want. Tight about this piece right, you can pull this piece as well. You can adjust it any direction that you want inside the car right here, as you can see, and it's very adjustable. So I'm going to put it right there inside the front seat so I can see me while driving. Alright guys, so another shot that I'm looking at right now is this shot behind the back glass right here. So this shot is gonna capture me while driving inside the front. So this is more like a wide angle view, capturing me right there, and I mount it into the back glass. Alright guys, so the next shot I'm going to get right here is a shot capturing my wheel. And as you can see, the shot is a bit overexposed, so what I'm going to use in this video right here is the K&F ND filter. I'm going to also put a link for this in the description as well, to get those sharp image which have a cinematic vibe, which have those nice motion blur. This is the ND filter that I use guys to get this super shot. So guys, the thing with this car mount right here, you have to be super creative in getting those shots. So it depending on how much you want to risk it. So you can put it also on your car top and your bonnet and your rear, depending on, there's so much shot that you can get right here with this car mount. As I said earlier, it depends on how much you want to risk it to get those shots. And I super trust this car mount with my camera, so I have catch a couple shots with it on my car top, on my car side, catching those, you know, wheels and those things. So it's super sturdy, and it's something that I'll use and recommend. This video is somehow not sponsored. I basically bought this with my own money just to, you know, get those super cool shots. So if you guys are interested in this product right here, the link for this is down in the description. And thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more, you know, quality product review like this. So Until next time, I see you guys in my next one. As always, peace. I'm out.